Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of recreate Ariana Grande's Eternal Sunshine vibe in Gemini. So use Gemini.Google. I use that a lot. And you're just going to insert your photo here. Go to Tools and select Create Images. And this is the prompt you want to add. I don't know why it's like doing that right now. Let me just refresh it a little bit. And then hopefully I can generate that. Press enter. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. I'm just waiting for this to generate. So okay, and this is what it looks like at the end. It looks like the Eternal Sunshine vibe to me. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can also make it blurry a little bit more. But yeah, if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.